Are you girls ready to test out a new toy? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are testing out this pretty epic snuffle mat for dogs. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. There's nothing in it yet, sweetheart. I gotta put stuff in it. Sorry. Oh, real quick, before I do that, I thought I would show you guys all of the different places you can put food in this. It's got the little bowl type thing, so you can spread a bunch of stuff out in here. There's a little one here. These are cute. You can like stick treats underneath here. There's a pocket here where they have to get underneath here. Same thing on this side. They have to kind of get underneath it. Two more of these little ones and then one of these little bag style things. Now this has been rolled up, so you can see it was in my garage, which is kind of cold. It will flatten as it warms up, but they don't want to wait for it to flatten, so we're going to review it anyway. You can roll it up to store it, and then it has these, so when it's all rolled up, it will stay tight together, which is nice. As long as you store it somewhere warm and not cold like my garage, it should lay flat for you every time. But let me put some treats in here so the girls can go to town. We're gonna let Memphis give it a try first. I've put treats pretty much everywhere and then left a few out so she knows what she's supposed to be doing. And Memphis is already on it. She's like, I'm already on it, guys. I know what a snuffle mat is. I love snuffle mats. They're so much fun. If you have never used a snuffle mat with your dogs before, these are great. They're great for mental enrichment. They're great for if you have a dog that's a really fast eater, you can use this to slow them down. But realistically, I love using these on like rainy days or cold days when we're really not going out to do a whole lot and we're not spending a lot of time outside with the dogs. It's something to, she's like, ooh, there's some in here. It's really something to just get their brains going. Look at her. It brings out their natural foraging instinct. That's really what this does. They have to search and search and search and find all the snacks. Oh, there's more snacks. She's like, whoa, there's more snacks. There's so many snacks. So I didn't put a ton in here for her, but like I said, you could use this for feeding. You could use it for a lot of different things. I think she likes it. We're going to give everybody a try. There's none underneath it, honey. I swear. Go for it, Elle. She's like, whoa, I found that one immediately. I think she could see those. I did the same thing with Eleanor that I did with Memphis. I left a couple pretty visible to make it easy for her to see. Is it in there? She's like, it's in here, and I can't get my nose in here. Okay, I'll go to this one. Yeah, sometimes you just got to use your tongue. What do you think? Oh, there's some good ones. Like, whoa, there's more in here. And in here, and in here, and there's one, and oh, there's more in here. Yep, she's pretty good at finding them. And Kira's turn. She's like, oh my goodness. Now, usually with my snuffle mats, when my dogs are done with them, I do wash them because, one, you're getting a lot of dog food smell all over everything, and two, they're licking and getting all kinds of stuff all over them. So I usually just throw mine in the washer on a cold setting, and most of the time I hang them to dry, or I put them in my dryer just on the air setting so there's no heat at all, just to get it a little bit dry. I do try to do that pretty much every time we use snuffle mats because I feel like that just keeps them good for longer. You're really trying to find that one piece, aren't you? You found it! You did! Good job! Yeah, she was even able to pull on it. If you guys are looking for a fun snuffle mat for your dogs to have some fun and enrichment, we recommend this. Look, all three of them are like, wait, we can all do it at once. It's big enough for all of us. It actually is big enough for all of you. Good job, girls. Good job.